How to withdraw money from Vantage 2026 full guide. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to withdraw money from your Vantage Markets trading account, including a compliance rule that trips a lot of people up. Vantage is a regulated Forex and CFD broker, and withdrawing is straightforward once you know the process and the rules behind it. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Vantage Markets account through their official website or client portal using your trading credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Account or Funds section and select the Withdrawal option from the menu. Step 3. Choose your preferred payment method. Vantage supports bank card, bank wire, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neteller, Skrill, and Tether, among other options. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is $50 in your base account currency, though some specific payment methods may require a higher minimum. Step 5. Know the anti-money laundering rule before you pick a method. Vantage requires withdrawals to be made using a method registered in the same name as your trading account, and in most cases, you need to withdraw back to your original deposit method first before using an alternative one. Once your initial deposit amount has been fully returned that way, any profits beyond that can then be withdrawn using other available, verified methods. Step 6. Confirm your withdrawal request and review the details carefully. Depending on your account status, you may need to complete identity verification before the request processes. Step 7. Know your realistic timeline by method. Debit and credit cards, local bank transfers, and e-wallets typically take 1 to 3 business days. International bank transfers can take up to 5 business days. While cryptocurrency withdrawals are usually the fastest, often processing within a few hours. Here's a pro tip. Most withdrawal methods at Vantage carry no broker-side fee, but a few come with clear exceptions. International wire withdrawals typically incur a $20 fee. And Neteller withdrawals carry a 2% fee. Check the specific fee tied to your chosen method before submitting your request, so you're not surprised by a deduction on the way out. One more thing worth remembering: trading CFDs carries real risk, and past performance or fast withdrawal speed doesn't reflect or guarantee future trading results. So that's exactly how to withdraw money from Vantage, including the deposit matching rule that catches a lot of traders off guard. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading platform guides, and let me know in the comments which withdrawal method are you using.